In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit website template in Framer. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening a template, finding exactly what you need in the layer structure, and fine-tuning position, size, and visual effects so your design looks polished and consistent. First, head into Framer and open the project that contains your website template. If the template includes multiple pages, select the page you want to work on so the canvas and its elements load in the editor. Next, open the Layers panel. This is your map of the page. You'll see every section, group, and element organized in a hierarchy. If it's hidden, toggle the Layers icon to reveal it. Expand groups to understand how the template is structured. You'll often find headers, hero sections, features, and footers neatly grouped. This makes it easier to focus without accidentally moving unrelated parts. Now choose the specific folder or group you want to edit. Click to select it, and if needed, expand until you reach the exact element inside. Double-clicking dives deeper into nested items. Renaming layers to something descriptive can save time later, and temporarily hiding or locking layers helps you avoid making unintended changes while you work. With your elements selected, look to the right side Properties panel to adjust position. Use the X and Y fields to place items precisely, and take advantage of alignment and constraints to keep elements anchored correctly as the layout adapts. Smart guides will snap items into place and help maintain consistent spacing with nearby components. Arrow keys nudge in small increments, holding shift moves in larger steps. Finally, refine size and visual effects in the same panel. Set width and height to fixed values or let elements fill their containers, and keep an eye on padding and margins for clean rhythm. Adjust corner radius, opacity, shadows, and blur to match the template's style. For backgrounds and borders, use the same color tokens or styles already used elsewhere for consistency. As you tweak, use Preview to confirm the layout still looks great across different device sizes. That's it. Open Framer, use layers to locate content, select the right folder, adjust position, then fine-tune size and effects for a professional finish.